Oh man. I wondered what there could be like hiding, like in the. Whoa! That's gunshots. Yo, man, I found keys like this before. These are gigantic skeleton keys. Somebody told me that these are actual prison keys. Yo, what the hell is that? Yo, there is something there. Yeah, that is kind of creepy. A freaky looking statue, to say the least. Oh, oh. I'm seeing right now, it's only going so far ahead.
Soon, 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 leave, don't look behind you.
Who's behind me? Whoa, 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 oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh frick. Welcome back to this next exciting camping adventure as myself exploring with Brad. So this was actually asked by a fan, and they asked us to come back to this place at night with the boardwalks and everything like that. So I decided to take them up on that. We're going to see a few things tonight. We're going to a creepy cemetery later on in the evening. Probably gonna try that roughly around the sleep experiment. But anyways, guys, let's go check out this new place. Here at night, and what could be out during the night. I mean, creepy things happen in the evening a lot at different locations, so I decided to take them up on that and check it out. Oh man. It was weird, last video people kept saying that I'm not dragging my feet. There's actually things in my friggin' bag clanking around. And it does sound like that because I was like, what are they saying? Because I don't ever drag my feet. I lift my feet off the ground. But it is what it is. Yeah, so last time we saw that thing right there. And then there was that native thing that's kind of like spiritual and stuff back there. I'm not sure where we should start out, guys. I kind of want to just go on up ahead. I mean, the creepier stuff's up ahead. I don't expect anything weird to happen over here. I've never had anything happen on this side. So, we'll go up on ahead. Wow, this place is ominous at night, to say the least. Very creepy. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, there's little boats by the water here. There's the Collingwood terminals at night. Let's see how this looks. Look at that. Wow. So across the lake, there it is right there. Can zoom right into that bad boy. Really, really cool. Yeah, I've heard some geese and stuff up this way, like just in the distance. Upon entering and everything like that, so definitely a lot of geese around. Just a Dollarama bag chilling there. It's almost like these types of forest, arboretum. I don't even know how to say it. You guys probably know how to say it better than I, but it's almost like these places. It's like a cemetery too, because there's little things like benches and things. Or like, look at this, love forever, mom and dad. So there's stuff like this all over the park. And you know, people have laid like flowers down and things for them. What's over here? I saw one over here too. Something was laid over here. Yeah, again, there was something laid over here in this corner for this person. Cool. Yeah, it's better close up there, but we're gonna go on up ahead because there's been rumors of this place being haunted and spooky at night, so it's definitely worth having a peek. Okay, let me check this out. Lots of bridges and everything. It's very cinematic. I keep walking into spider webs. There are so many spider webs. I'm always shooing them away and everything, and I don't know what to say. Yeah, there's some sort of trail that goes that way. I'm sweaty. It's actually too warm for all these clothes today. Great egret, the great blue heron. That's what that bird is there. Almost looks like a dinosaur or something. Wow, really cool. So they're seen here and everything. I know there's swans that have been here, so there's always that as well. Yeah, these are more memorial places that people have put ashes down. Like, see, there's another one. Yeah, so there's a pile here. What the heck is that? There's something over here. I don't know what it is. Looks like somebody set it on fire or something. I don't know what it is. Some decorative can. A lot of the ink is off of it right now. So, yeah, I don't know. Some rope there. There's another piece of the can there. I don't know, maybe there was flowers in it at one point? I don't know. I don't know what to say. All the worms are coming out because we did have a bout of rain and stuff, so yeah. Really wild stuff. I'm literally covered in spider webs. Every time, I know you guys can't see them, but every time I walk, I'm literally going through a gigantic web. I don't know why they decide to go from tree to tree. I guess it's just, you know, I'm not going to judge the spiders. That's just their thing. Whatever, that's cool. There's the bush there. Let's see anything out there. So we're gonna go on up ahead. I don't know what's down here. It's like this little beachy area here by the rocks and everything. So yeah. I always wondered what there could be like hiding, like in the. Whoa! That's gunshots. Sorry, that was just the water moving, but that was clear gunshots coming from this way. I'm gonna have to be careful. I'm just gonna chill back here for a little bit. That didn't sound too far away. That's what's freaking me out, guys. I don't want to abandon today, but at the same time, like, I don't want to get hurt either because, like, the crime in Canada is, like, skyrocketed, yo. Like, really skyrocketed. Frig sakes, that's insane. Like, all I could hear were gunshots, and then there was like a scream coming from that direction over there. Okay, just wait till it gets a little quieter. Yeah, I'm always wondering, like, what else could be chilling out here, though, you know what I mean? There's bricks everywhere, I'm noticing. It's like deer hide. So there's deer hide chilling here. I don't know. We're down by the water right now. That was weird. Okay, so it's gotten quieter. Still gonna have to proceed with caution, guys, because that was a little freaky. There's a way up that way too. I'm gonna go down this way though. Yeah, it happened like straight up ahead that way. The nightlife. You know what I mean? It's always a creepy time for pedestrians because you just don't know who you're gonna bump into out here. A lot of people freak out about me doing this because yeah, it's dangerous during the day, but at nighttime that's escalated by 10. Like 10 times more dangerous. Like house robberies and everything like that. But not only that, like bad crimes too. So it's definitely one of those things I gotta be careful. I gotta be eyes and ears. Spiderweb after spiderweb, they keep coming. I hope I'm not covered in spiders right now. Bet he would kill me. I hate spiders. I hate them too. I'm not gonna lie. I hate them too. What the hell? Yo, there's a bag. Bag right there on the bench. What the fudge is in here? Is there anything in here? I'm just gonna put the flashlight down here for a second. Oh shit, sorry, it's attached to me. No, you can't put it down, Brad, you dumb, you dumb. Labatt Blue box. Empty. Full of spiders. That's just great. You think you're gonna find a clue to some crazy murder mystery and all you find is a bunch of spiders in a bag. I thought I was hearing stuff, but I don't know. Sorry. I think it's just the birds out there. Those are Canadian geese. We might do an Olight battery change right up here by the labyrinth. Here's that turtle. For those who didn't see last video, there's like a snapping turtle. Pretty wild. Alright, so we're going to change the battery here, folks. So we're just going to take a second. Sometimes these adventures really, they get to me. I try not to take stuff home with me, like on all sense, like, you know, like the stress of the job and everything like that. I don't, for the most part, I really don't, but like, there have been some crazy moments, you know what I mean, like things have happened and I just didn't really know what to do. And I do listen to like a lot of the messages you guys do put on there. Like, I mean, I can't see them all, you know what I mean? There's just, life is too busy and too short to go through every single message that people put on the, you know, under the description, just like writing to me and stuff like that. So Oh, it fell in here. I'm like about to have a heart attack because my bag is missing. It has like every battery. It's the battery bag. The Hochelaga bag. No, I'm just kidding. Last time. Yeah, when you're using these at full capacity, it's not that they die, but they dim. And they dim a lot, actually. You'll start not being able to see as clear. So once I get that point, I'm like, I gotta do this. I gotta put more ammo in the gun, you know what I mean, so to speak. I still am freaked out about that, though. That was scary. Like, to me, it sounded like gunshots. It could have been just like a car continuously backfiring, but to me, oh boy, don't drop the battery, that'd be bad. To me, I thought that it was legit gunshots because that was really loud and it had like an echo to it, like where we are right by the water. So stuff like that, like, yeah, you would hear an echo. I'm just a little freaked out about all this. I don't know what to say about it. All right. Right as rain. Cool. I can't wait to do more videos though with the night vision. I'm really excited about it. I think a lot of opportunities will open up with that thing. It doesn't have much range. That's the only thing. So I mean, it'll have to be used more of a still camera for the most part for places, but I mean, it's still cool. Nevertheless. Okay. All right, let there be light. It's really foggy too, as you guys can see. Okay, let's go. Home of the snapping turtles. The snapping turtles of Collingwood Labyrinth. A lot of snapping turtles come out from here, from the shore. They're dangerous if you corner them or if you're... It's just a bird. You're okay. Yeah, they're dangerous because they're territorial. So you just don't want to be in their personal space. That's a spider. He's coming down. Damn things. I hate them. I hate spiders. I can't believe there's like a whole pile of them everywhere. Alright, so we made it to the boardwalk. So from here on out, be quiet. What the hell's that? Looks like there's something shiny on the bridge right there. What the heck? I don't see anybody. It's really quiet. You gotta be joking me. You gotta be joking me right now. We just found a bunch of rounds shot, guys. This is crazy. This is so crazy. What the hell are these things anyway? Smith & Wesson. Wow, these are all shot too. I can't believe that, dude. That is crazy. Literally happened right here. I can't believe it. Okay, we're gonna have to be careful. through a tree right there. That's all swamp. I don't see anybody. It's another one of those creepy benches. Yo, what the hell's that? Yo, what the heck? Yo, man, I found keys like this before. These are gigantic skeleton keys. Somebody told me that these are actual prison keys. Like old prisons, like old abandoned prisons and stuff like that. Yeah, like look at that. That's insane. Okay, I'm gonna go on up ahead. You know what? We've never actually explored down that trail. We've never gone down there before, so let's go down and check that out. Just looking around. This is so creepy, this place, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's just a bunny. It's just a bunny. Oh man, that creeped me out. Yo, you gotta be joking me right now, dude. You gotta be joking me. There's literally a gun in the freaking water. Like, this is starting to freak me out, man. I don't know what to do. Somebody must have ditched it. Man, look, I wish that I could catch the person. I don't even know where that goes. What's down here? There's a trail there. What the hell? Damn spiders. Like the plague. Is this a trail? There's like a CO2 canister there. Sorry, that's just me. I'm just a little scared, that's all. A bucket. Yo, there's a bucket with like a purse in it and stuff. Somebody's been living out here. Oh shit. people living out here. We gotta get out of here. Damn. Oh man. I don't know if one of them got somebody, but that's so crazy. There's literally people living in the woods right there. It's just a bunny. Just a bunny. Get back to the boardwalk. Back to the boardwalk. That's so creepy. I literally found like a whole area of them. There are people living out here in these woods. That's scary. This place is a swamp, literally, man. Oh man. Is anything funky on this bench? No. I'm sorry, I'm just a little freaked out. That was crazy. I can't believe I found that. I found a whole encampment of people here. They're living out in the woods. That's insane. Well, I hope I didn't disturb them. I literally just turned around and I took off, but that is crazy. The gun was literally just meters away from their encampment. This is insane, man. This is what I'm saying, is that the violence up in this country is like brutal. Absolute brutal. I literally heard something whisper something. That was creepy. I couldn't make out what it was, but that... It's this part of the bridge that is the scariest. The last thing I wanted to do is be knifed or shot or stabbed back there, because like, that was too much, man. So there's the terminals across the lake right there. Ugh. Back on the platform. I tell you, at night, this place can be very, very eerie. I gotta say, that was literally unsettling. I didn't expect that at all. If somebody's here, can you make your presence known? There's just a bunch of rocks in the swamp. Oh, oh. I heard it again. I heard the freaking humming again. What the hell was that? Yo, what the hell is that? Yo, there is something there. What is going on tonight, guys? Some sort of statue. Yeah, that is kind of creepy. A freaky looking statue, to say the least. Oh, oh. Okay, let's keep going. I'm sweating, man. This is scary. Kind of don't want to come back here at night, especially. Like, holy smokes. What the hell is that? I don't see anything. Okay, you're okay. You're alright. Just baby steps, Brad, baby steps. This has to be the longest boardwalk I've been in that has gone through a forest. And that's kind of what made this attraction. I keep having a feeling that somebody is following me now. Like with the gun and everything like that. Like, this is too much. This is too much, man. But I did it. I made it to the end of the Barra Boardwalk in one piece. Like I said I would. At night. I don't know what kind of witchcraft is written on this thing. I don't know what it is. It could be nothing. Oh, it's just a face. Yeah, look at that. It's like a cat or a devil or something. Thanks. Who would live out in a swamp? That doesn't make any sense to me. I know nobody would look for you. But who lives out in a swamp, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's a spooky area. We're out by the water now. I've never been around here. It freaking looks like a grave that's been smucked. I don't know what it is though. It's hard to ever say what's in these waters, you know? Oh man. We got a lot on film. I can't believe it. I can't believe we got all this stuff on the film, man. I cannot believe this. This is crazy. I don't think I've ever gotten that much on film all in one night. Maybe I have. Maybe you guys could tell me, oh, Brad, you've gotten lots of stuff. But that was crazy. Okay, we're about to go check out here. See if anything has changed. That's what I mean. You can go back to the same place, different time, nighttime, whatever, and everything is different about it. This is this big thing. I don't even know what it is, man. Sorry, I'm doing that because of the cobwebs. There's a bunch of pillars. I don't know if they're covering something. Well, I ain't trying to lift anything, that's for damn sure. You're not moving that. Thing's gigantic cinder block probably weighed like 5,000 pounds or more. There was some sort of vehicle through here though. Like a quad. Something's been driving through here. And it looks like bicycle tracks too, by the looks of things. Wow. We caught a lot on film. This is the clothing that I said that's in the tree. It's all burnt up. It's just like a generator or something, or an old one in there. I hope I don't find any more tents. That's what I was kind of thinking, that if I come back here, I'm wondering if somebody's like living back here or something, but I don't know. For those that are new to the channel, should like and subscribe and check out for more videos. See what you enjoy to watch. Does this come to an end or does it keep going? No, it goes through that little tiny brush there. Okay. Whew. See what I mean? Damn freaking spawn of Satan. I hate spiders. I hate them. They're evil. Ugh. Again, man. Ugh. Sorry. My freaking camera better not be full of spiders when I get home. Betty will beat my ass. Okay. This is where we found that creepy tie-dye shirt though. Check this out. Yeah, look at this. It's like a tie-dye shirt. It's all messed up. They went to town on that tie-dye. Nobody living out here. Nothing seems to be changed here. Just the fact that we're in the middle of a freaking swamp. But we're on the grass, so we're not wet, you know what I mean? There's water underneath us, but we ain't wet. Anyways, guys, I think we're going to continue on the night. So up next, I'm going to do the sleep challenge again. And hopefully we'll do a cemetery. I don't know, I'm not promising anything, but maybe. So anyways, guys, be sure to check that out in the next part of the video. Alright guys, so I'm doing the sleep experiment now. I'm at the Bigfoot teepee instead. I was going to try it over here and just see what kind of stuff we got. Yeah, I don't know. We got some really creepy answers the last time, so we're just going to give this a go and see what you can get. Alright guys?
Step closer if you dare. Shish, listen, it whispers. I remember everything you hide. Do you feel me touch you? Run and I will follow.
Oh, oh man. Yeah, I'm just really nervous right now because that sounded like a wolf. Like, and it sounded very close by, so shoot. Not good, guys. Check this out. Oh man, that's crazy. Yeah, it sounded like wolves, but it sounded like very close, whatever. I'm gonna have to get my flashlight. So the only problem with using night vision is I can see on the screen, but I cannot see anything. It's pitch black. So I could trip and fall or get hurt. So I might need a little bit of light source. Okay, let's get out. It's pitch black. Yeah, see, like we can't see that far up ahead. So we're just gonna go check out the other fort. Don't see anything. Maybe actually what we'll do, let's turn this up all the way. This is as much light as I got right now. I don't see anything. It's pitch black, guys. You have no idea. Looks like nobody came back to that fort, so there hasn't been any new construction on it. I was hearing some weird sounds here earlier. Nothing supernatural, just more of nature. But that howling sounded pretty damn close. That's why I'm kind of just taking extra precaution. I don't know if I can stay here any longer than I have. Yeah, it is pitch black. I can't even see anything. That's the only problem with night vision, is you only have so much range. Like, so with this, like, and the lights just get really, really expensive if you're gonna dabble. Okay, let's just go check it out. Gonna check out that other fort. There was actually a cemetery that I was going to check out tonight and see what happens out there. We'll run the app and I don't know, whatever happens, happens, really. Okay, nobody's following me. Nobody's following me. I've noticed on my computer screen I can actually see a lot better far up ahead with the night vision camera than I can see right here using the little screen that it comes with, right? So there's the other fort here. Okay, so we're at the other fort right now. Oh, I almost walked into like a big spider. Sorry about that. I hate spiders, so yeah, so we're here now. That's where I had my fire. This is the fort. As you guys can see, there's a little staircase right there going to the top. Oh, it looks like they opened the top. Okay. So maybe they did do more? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, yeah. They did do more to the top. Yeah, they got rid of that. Oh, oh man. I heard the howling again. It's coming from down here. Yeah, I don't know about bunking here. I'm kind of glad that I'm already out of the tepee and on my way out. That was very loud. Alright guys, it looks like we're going to get going to our last spot of the night. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the cemetery. We're going to check on up ahead, and like I said, I'm just going to have this thing running and just see what happens, alright? So I'm going to adjust the IR light and I'm going to make it as powerful as I can, because like I said, it's very hard to make out anything in the distance. So we'll just see what we can get. It is pitch black here, guys, in the cemetery. You can't even use a flashlight with this thing. I tried. It just does not see it. It's a different ball game doing night vision, guys. But we're gonna see what we can get, and hopefully we get some answers. Some stones here. I have this thing as current as it can go. Yeah, that's as high as it goes, folks.
Every mirror sees your fear.
Who is here? You just said we're here. Who is here?
It never leaves, never sleeps.
Can you tell me a bit more about yourself? On some sort of fencing or something like that. I'm gonna try to boost this up again and just see if it works better. Yeah, that's as far as it's going, folks. I don't know what's going on. Oh my goodness, is that another stone? Wow, look at all the stones here. This is crazy. You guys probably can't see all the stuff that I'm seeing right now because it's only going so far ahead.
Soon, 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 leave, don't look behind you.
Who's behind me? Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh freak, oh freak, oh freak, what the was that? What the freak was that, man? Oh man, oh man, freak, 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 I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. Oh man, what the freak was that? There are stones everywhere, guys, like, and I can't even see ahead of me because I have no flashlight. Literally snuck in here. Oh man. Just going through all these graves. What the frig, man? That is crazy. Oh man, I just keep running into graves, guys. This is insane. The only thing I can see is the screen, literally. These are old graves, too. I'm gonna try to make my way to the path and see if I can get out of here. Oh man, that was scary. It literally looked like a little freaking girl, man, that was standing right beside me. I am shaking right now. I am freaking shaking. Oh man. The only thing I could see is these lights. "1934, holy smokes, that's an old one." can't see anything. See, this is terrible. I feel like I'm disrespectful right now. At the same time though, like, this is night vision for you folks. Like, you can't see, like, I can't see anything. Is this the path? I'm on some sort of dirt path right now. Oh my god. That scared the daylights out of me, folks. That was insane. I've had some weird things happen in cemeteries, but that is off the charts right there. That's insane. Sorry, I'm just adjusting it. It's a little bright right now. But yeah, I think what we're going to do is we're going to make our way back to the car. I'm going to have to be dead fast. Be very careful, because I can't see anything. The IR light is the only thing that can see right now. And they don't have a long range, as you guys can see. Like, I can only see so far ahead of me, in front of me, so... Oh, boy. Alright, I'm going back. I'm on the path. I'm on the path, folks. Wow, there was actually some creepy looking graves in there, though. Like, that's insane. I know you guys probably can't see it. I don't even know if I can zoom in or not. Yeah, like, I can't. It's just so dark. I think I've got about like 8 feet in front of me with the IR light. This is a secondary IR light. I put a second one on here. Oh man. Freaked out, was terrifying. Alright, so I'm seeing cars and stuff. I'm close to the road. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Yeah, you can only, there's only so much range with the night vision camera. Like, you don't have a whole lot. I can't see anything. Flowers. Flowers. Just graves everywhere, guys. Alright. Well, it looks like I got back to the car. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash the like button. Hit subscribe. We got more to come for you.